After the first startup of the bridge, the system should be checked again for possible updates after the successful registration. Make sure that you have a good internet connection with your smartphone and that your bridge is not in offline mode. If this is the case, turn the ignition of your vehicle off and on again. Open the Bridge app and go to More and Update. To start the check, go to Check for Updates. Now it will check for possible updates. If updates are available, they will be displayed in red font. Click on the button Download and Install to continue. The update will now be executed. Then press Check for Updates again. If nothing is displayed in red anymore, the system is up to date. How it continues, you will learn in the next video. If you have any questions regarding this, you can always contact our support.